I'm driving up the hill and I see the sun is not up anymore and it's so early. I guess hurricane is gonna hit. Trying to get to a shelter right now, a concrete shelter. Since in Hawaii everything's made by wood and it's so light, it flies away. Look how many clouds over there. It's like no kidding. It's covering the mountains. This is the pineapple fields. All right, I keep you guys posted. Now it's coming, but don't have any wind, and it's real weird because there's no wind in the arm of the hurricane. Wow, I spent many hurricanes in Florida, and by now with this colored off weather, it should be a lot of wind. Well, I still have a long ways to go to get where I'm gonna be. So I'll talk to you guys soon. As I drive up to the hill, we can see the hurricane is approaching over there. I never saw the mountains like that. Over and here is always sunny all year round. This is a fabricated weather by CERN and Harrp. We have full of Wi-Fi 5G towers who can pull the electromagnetic waves from the Harp, HAARP, and from the CERN in Switzerland, C as in Charlie, E as in Edward, R as in Romeo, N as in Nancy, CERN, CERN. You guys must Google it. This is weather is not regular. This is all fabricated for diminish the population. Anyhow, wherever it is happening now. But we have a lot of towers around here for Wi-Fi. It's like, it's so terrible. They're not happy to destroy all their continent and the mainland, and they want to destroy Hawaii. That's why I guess God gave the Hawaii to the Hawaiians, because God knew it, the Hawaiian won't do that.